Every single day, over 100,000 new tracks hit streaming platforms. Most of them probably forgotten within hours. Now think about your favorite artist. What pops into your head first? Their latest song or their brand? The feeling they give you. The truth is, music gets you noticed, but brand makes you unforgettable. And today I'm going to show you how to build one that lasts. Part 1. What is a music brand? A music brand isn't just a logo or a stage name. It's a total package. How you look, how you sound, what you stand for, and the story fans tell about you. Music pulls people in, but your brand, that's what makes them stay. When someone hears your name, what do they feel? That feeling, whether it's energy, rebellion, or connection, that is your brand. And if you don't define it, the world will define it for you. Part 2. Why music alone isn't enough. Thousands of songs drop every single day. Even if your track is amazing, it's competing for attention with millions of others. Your brand is what makes you recognizable, memorable, and shareable. It's what turns a one-time listener into a lifelong fan. Think of it this way. Your songs are the chapters, but your brand is the complete book. Without the biggest story, it's just random pages. Part 3. The 5 pillars of a strong music brand. Let's break this down into 5 pillars of a strong music brand. Number 1. Visual identity. Your looks, your colors, your cover art, your lifestyle. Tiësto's brand screams premium. Private jets, residencies, champagne culture. His entire image says luxury experience. That's intentional. Number 2. Voice and message. What do you stand for? Are your lyrics about positivity, rebellion, escape? Fred again is a perfect example here. His voice as an artist is about vulnerability, capturing real-life moments and turning them into emotional, communal experiences. Number 3. Personality. This is all about you. Are you mysterious, approachable, outrageous? Martin Garrix's approachable and likable vibe is why so many fans feel like they know him. Number 4. Consistency. If your Instagram looks different from your shows and your music videos tell a third story, people will get confused. Consistency makes your band stick. Let's take Alesso. He's been consistent for years with his cinematic, melodic and uplifting style. And for over a decade, he still closes big main stages and festivals all around the globe. Number 5. Community. Brand isn't just about you, it's about them. Do your fans feel like they're part of something bigger? That's why Fred Again concert feels like family gatherings. Fans aren't just watching, they're part of the energy. Part 4. Some real-world examples. Tiësto's brand goes beyond tracks. He's built an image of luxury and exclusivity. Private jets, residencies, high-end lifestyle. Fans aren't just buying into his music. They're buying into the ideal of success and celebration he represents. Martin Garrix's brand is about approachability and excitement. His fans feel connected enough to wait hours at airports just for a glimpse. He genuinely feels like a friend you wish the best in everything he does. And Fred Again, his brand is built on raw honesty and pure authenticity. He records his friends' conversations, phone notes and even WhatsApp voice messages, and he turns them into tracks. Fans don't just love his music, they feel like they know his world. Alesso's brand has always leaned into cinematic and big energy. From closing all massive festival main stages with big fireworks to luxury aesthetics, his identity makes his music feel like an experience on its own. These aren't accidents, they're intentional branding choices that align completely with the artist behind it. And here's the key, you don't have to be at their level yet. You just have to be clear on your own vision and who you are. Part 5. How to build your brand, step by step. Okay, let's make this actionable. Here's how you can start building your own brand right now. Number 1. Define your core. Grab a notebook. Write down 3 words that describe your music and your personality. Maybe even your hobbies and interests. That's your foundation. Number 2. Audit your visuals. Look at your social media, your artworks, even your outfits you like to wear daily. Do they match those 3 words? If not, it's time to realign. Number 3. Craft your story. Every post should feel like part of your bigger narrative. Behind the scenes clips, live shows highlights, even casual TikToks and Reels. They should all reinforce your story. Number 4. Engage your community. Reply to comments, share fan art, shout out to listeners. People don't just want to hear your music, they want to connect with you. Part 6. Common mistakes to avoid. Here are the biggest mistakes artists make with branding. The first one is changing their style too often. It's confusing for fans. The second one is copying other artists instead of owning their own uniqueness and authentic self. And the last one, ignoring fans, treating them like numbers instead of people. Your brand isn't about pretending to be something you're not. It's about amplifying the real you in a way fans can connect with. That's what real authenticity looks like. So if you're serious about making it in music, stop thinking only about your tracks. Start thinking about your brand. Because your songs are the soundtrack, but your brand is the world fans want to live in. Now I want to hear from you. What 3 words define your brand? Let me know. And if this video helped you, subscribe for more and share this with another artist who needs to hear it. See you in the next one.